Etiefo me mamuni akwaba eba Melody Steve so. We die me ankasa me running mate the Ghana Freedom Party Ekiadonko. Yanso onze Mahama eyi ne running mate no yanso wo se yeyi running mate enti yanso yeyi running mate ayede eba. Amnim se be shocking go for bebre. Last 4 years Ghana Freedom Party na ye running mate. Se unim Ghana Freedom Party Ekiadonko party no. Yes, I belong to that party. Yeah, Nanko Fudimatem, and you the way you speak like a serious guy. Why do you belong to Ekiadonko? Masa, I have my choice. I belong to Ekiadonko's party, Ghana Freedom Party. Now, last 4 years, and the NDC Fuyi Mba, and now Womoyi Oba as vice presidential candidate. Womudi Yikwa wo Krom ha womon pese yaso ebedano. Masa. In last 4 years, any vice presidential candidate Obao. Now so Charlotte say I want my standing tea. But ye can will be a was shall say wo ye in this decade. The last decade wo ye Oba as vice presidential candidate yen intinaki ebo abaso Ghana Freedom Party and will say then your boy abaso. Now so politics any Ghana hwehwe nimunti. De bia asemo amekata mo say Ghana de nkrofo bi wo ho a womo ye nyama bi ansa na yakasa obi be ya ade wo be ye papa obi anka ma obi nkwa ya sa papa no wonya sa papa ne krafu womo nye ne half obi unsa fe obi abona baso he wo de wa ya ade nanso obi aye de sin no nanso yempe wasaminti yenka Ghana ha say saa ne ete iti mi ankasa me presidential candidate anya mi adom 2020 ye to abama no amanaba Ekiadonko na wo hyase se running mate oyusu wo ba last year na mimpo de minim de siye but Ekiadonko adrop esa wo ba no ende wo bia Ekiadonko offer as running mate eye Adakabre Frimpong Manson of NIT FM. Adakabre Frimpong Manson of NIT FM. Yes, minim say wo mu bebre ashoke mo. Me ankasa me presidential candidate wa confirm me. I have also heard from Adakabre Frimpong Manson won also confirm me say yes ne kre wo ye running mate. Inti mo amo kasa you don't you mo de wo mo boa sisi bro mo boa no masa eye ne kre we are choosing Adakabre as our running mate and for bia ho yankasa ye running mate ene ye fa. Etiefo inti no me presidential candidate eya na me kasa ngrofo fi se meboa Ekiadonko ekotena Angel FM ena trese Kofi Adoma wanwani ene ne eye interview sa interview ni mo na Ekiadonko kan se wono de Mahama running mate no ena sei ono no cancel we anyway no me for Ekiadonko so no into okotena on e bi se Ekiadonko se na ne running mate eye hwan o se the running mate there Adakabre o kan sa na face studio ho ase eyi obi asre Kofi say Ekiadonko boa Adakabre say wo say ani Adakabre no am running mate o say dabi we dem in TV da Adakabre no fa he na wo koshi Adakabre we he fa no say running no say Kofi say wo fi say me boa frɛ Adakabre na confirm say asem na me ka no eye ne kre ana say yentro ne kre ye frɛ Adakabre no na ne kre Adakabre is the running mate of the Ghana Freedom Party Ekiadonko ne party no Ekiadonko ni Adakabre ene ejina na eho ena ye tifi Adakabre se hwe ono de yes the omo pa any 0.1%. Sorry, 0.9. Ghana has say utumi bomoden we your political party now utumi bomoden now nya 0.9%. Just say you can influence who wins the position in this country, and that's the truth. That is the truth. It's a political party be, and that's the main brain behind Kwame A+ ni TPP na wo ye no. Kwame A+ name say was standing against NPP and NDC a wobelusu into what just a small percentage. It's only a small percentage no na NPP ni NDC ye ni aye contest no na wonya sa small percentage wo be hu no say MPP ana NDC na wo muntumi enwini outrightly sa e wo se ye kɔ runoff se ye kɔ runoff a woni bebre na mo ne yen aba abekasa se oh chale ye kɔ runoff sa mo 0.9% mo de be ka ye de ho a na nke wini o nti ho no na yen so ye de ye den ye terms and conditions ato ho amamo na mo so mo ye dem aye. That's the whole brain behind Kwame A+ ne TPP no yen so ekwadonko sa strategy ne niafa enye se ye jimi o enye se ye jimi yenim se Ghana ha se de mo de MPP ne NDC ne ana mo beko third force ye ba mo mpene nti ye mbe pre se yo ye pesi ye wini ni na dabi mo de mo nko na mo nko komoko mo nko na mo nko kom ntokwa mo nko ye de mo be ye mo ye mu hu fin na mo ye mu hu fin wia na mo hwa na obi antumi ambo obi ana afa mu hia ambo a mo be ba yen ye ho na mo abeka se oh also boy. But see the whole thing and I said this year there yen ekwadonko ya adwen say moko runoff na mu hia ye voter ye de bema MPP because any him say yes ekwadonko me presidential candidate no ne mahama wo muntem atete nti ye de bema MPP asem no so Adakabre is our running mate and that is our plan. That is our plan. Ye hwenya mienim say yes ye benya eye parliamentarians omwa parliament wo mo begina man on in all the constituencies. Na jimensa so ye bona ba so waya ade a Charlotte said the yen. Charlotte say the other yen no eye me ya papa. So this year ekwadonko ono na ekọ eya na nkrofo kan ne hwe masa the MPP and the NDC no masa me no omutu ni na no me I don't see any difference o and we akọ school nimdia kese Ghana ha say e free kojo ho ebesi ende o mampanyi ana political party bia wo mu edi yeso bia mostly no eye mampanyifo a sabi wo mu akọ school edu etire. The highest level of education you can even think of omwako abroche metumi atro the number of Ghanaian presidents are Eko University wa abroche womko abroche ko hu system na womo ba no mo abeye bibia basa wa ha we ka say nti mko abroche ho ko sua ade no was that the system over there? But you wonder why omoba Ghana ya na omutumi implement systems na womko sua wa abroche no. Even Kwame Nkrumah wo ko school abroche Kwame Nkrumah emso no ko school abroche Buzia ko school abroche Chairman Ghana president aside Abia Rawlings Chairman Ghana president ben na wan ko school abroche ba wo mu nina wo mu ko school abroche yesusu se wo mu wonimde no wo mu ba no den no mutumi yeye. So don't you see yanjintum na hu ne say okay ekadonko no yes school no kra wanko enye hwe ye penesa nyankopon de fie nyansa ehira no ye policies there ye say ye ba journalist ye ni omu ndi agrande he journalist ni attack omu obeye expose ya ye say we fake and that there ye attack journalist bebre wo Ghana ha say ama journalist class ro aban ya de na enya journalist ro so wo mo beka ekadonko ye say ye ba journalists, they will be a priority. A teacher for share and then bisa teachers bebre ye take decisions decisions no ye teachers no cry na say involved be 90% or 80% we don't say decisions na ye ko take no wo mo nye teachers na so wo mo head GES no and na say wo mo ko take sa decision no na teacher wo no wo feel that sebe sa decision no be carry na out no ni ye twa na bo if you don't ko say wo ba teachers number 1 priority because we are seeing in amona mo tre bibia and the doctor wo ye we teacher na train na and wa ba be da ne doctor inti ye de ne de yempene toto yempene nua very simple your policies enche beba your manifesto beba Ghana Freedom Party Can't Ghana Freedom Party come in news any so. But yes, Ghana Freedom Party. A cadonco. Aha, ya ni ya chrono. Ya ni ya chrono. Muntra maju on comment box in with you for me that's it.